Welcome to System Dynamics Online Tutorials. In this session we're going to cover, under the Physical Inventory suite of applications, the tag file tag load update, which is the process of an external load of a tag file through tag load with any exceptions, possibly an exceptions listing, and then a tag load update. What this process does in here is actually update the tag entry as if I keyed it in, but it's loading it from an external file, which is covered on other tutorials for tag load and exceptions maintenance. The tag load update is the final step within that process that actually takes all valid records after they've been loaded and validated into the system and generates them into the Dynamic 3i tag file for purposes of physical inventory deviations and updates, etc. to the stock. The system basically is, or this application basically just runs against the database and is pulling all those valid records on the temporary work table and putting them into the actual tag file as if they were keyed into the system. I actually have one out there, so what we can do here is just simply run the update, and the system will present us with a standard batch or online, and we'll just run this to screen since there's nothing being produced. It's simply an update, and the physical inventory records are created. The record that it is created is displayed in here. It's creating in the comma delimited format, which is within the help files. This is the actual warehouse location, SUP, comma, the actual product number, delimited by a comma, and then the physical inventory count of this particular product at this particular location. This tells me that the physical inventory record has been created. Sorry, this is the so we can actually go into the tag and actually see what was created for this given product, and then what happens at that point is the system can follow the normal route of looking at a deviation report and actually doing an update. So if we just wanted to look at that particular tag that was created there, we can call up those tags in the supply warehouse. Sorry. Let me just clear that. Put the application into query mode and execute the query, and we can see that there's our tag number 125 with a quantity of 472 for the CP750, and that particular tag was loaded into the system and updated into the tag entry instead of actually coming here and keying it in. The usefulness of that whole process, once again, is to actually have external handheld computers, PDFs, doing physical inventory counts, or an external system, and then just presenting to Dynamic 3i the flat file, and then doing the tag load update to actually load that file into the system. And that concludes the tag load update.